Hello everyone, welcome to the playlist of Basic Electrical Engineering. I am going to discuss what do we mean by star connection. Before starting of the session, I just wanted to give the brief information about three-phase connection. Three-phase connections can be broadly divided into two. First one is star connection and second one is called delta connection. In this video, I am going to brief up with star connection. What do we mean by star connection? As you can able to say, in star connection, the similar ends, either it may be starting or ending, of the three windings are connected to a common point called star point or neutral point. First of all, please consider three coils. Let us consider three coils. As you can able to see on the screen, I am going to deal with how to draw the star connection. Star connection I am going to deal. Star connection. Star connection. It is also denoted by the letter Y connection. Like that you can write it. Correct? Let me change the color of the ink so that you can able to understand it properly. Yes. First of all, there are three coils. Okay, three coils. I am going to write here. I am going to draw here. There are three coils. Coil number 1. This is actually the one end. Now let us see another coil. This is your another coil. Clear? Now we have the third coil. What you are supposed to do is either starting or ending point. No, see, let me take the ending point of each coil. So each coil ending point is connected to a common point, that is called a neutral point or star point. This type of connection is generally called as star connection. These are the three coils, you know, coil, or you can call it as load also, no issue. Now we will provide the supply, three-phase supply, no. So let us draw the straight line. So let me draw very clearly. This is your first line, correct? And we can draw the second line. I will be drawing like this, second line. Note down properly. Now I am going to draw the third line, like this. So you call it as R, then this is your Y, and this is your B. And this point you can call it as neutral point. Neutral point, or you call it as star point. So you can hold on. Neutral point or star point. Alright. If you provide three-phase supply, I am going to provide three-phase supply. Three-phase 415 volt, 50 hertz AC. I am going to provide the three-phase supply like this. Correct? If I provide the three-phase supply, then definitely line current start flowing. So how about the line current? This is your line current, IR. I will be writing like IR. IR line. I will be writing IR line. Likewise, IY line. IY line. Similarly, IB line. IB line. True? Okay, this is regarding the line current. Then, obviously you have to consider the phase current also. What is phase current? Current flowing through the load or each phases. So this is actually the load current or phase current. I will be writing like IR phase. IR phase. And which one is IY phase? Obviously this is your IY phase. IY phase. Obviously this is your IB phase. IB phase. From this, what is the conclusion you can able to make? In case of star connection, it is now very clear that the line current is always equal to phase current. So put it as a separate note. IL is equal to I phase. Line current will always equal to phase current. IRL is equal to IRP. What does it mean? Line current will always equal to phase current. This point you please note down. Now I will be discussing about the voltage regarding the line voltage and phase voltage. So can you identify the which is line voltage? So let me draw the line voltage. What are the line voltages available? So let us take the first point. See, voltage across any two lines are called line voltage. So VRY, correct? One point. Then VYB, VYB. Then another point is VRB. Now voltage between R and B lines. R and B are two lines. Then voltage between these two lines. Here that is VRB. Hope it is very clear. Okay. Now what is phase voltage? See, this is your phase voltage. You can write it as VRN. Then another one is VYN. Correct. Next VBN. You write like a V subscript BN or V subscript YN, like that. Clear? Okay. Now what are the conclusion? Can you able to make the conclusion? It is observed that here star connection, line voltage and phase voltage never be equal. Both are different only. So there is a relation called line voltage and phase voltage. Let me note down the relation. So we write the line voltage will be always equal to √3 times phase voltage. √3 times phase voltage. This is another important observation in case of star connection. Line voltage will always equal to √3 times phase voltage. Which is larger, line voltage or phase voltage? Line voltage is always greater than phase voltage in star connection. Okay. Now one more important point I want to tell you, that the three-phase connection, three-phase star connection is also known as three-phase four-wire system. Why do you say that it is three-phase four-wire system? What is the reason for that? What is the reason? Yes. Why? Because how many lines are there? Can you see the lines? Lines are line 1, line 2, line 3. In addition to that, there is one more line called a neutral. Am I right or not? One more point. I can't say that it's a line. Another terminal called a neutral terminal. Now how many lines are there according to that? One, then second, then third. How many wires? You can tell like that. This is your fourth. The neutral, including neutral, 4. So we call it as three-phase system. The three-phase star connection is known as three-phase four-wire system. Please note down. Three-phase four-wire system. Dash is known as three-phase four-wire system. Obviously, star connection. Star connection is also known as three-phase four-wire system. And I need to write down the important application of three-phase system. What is the major application? Please tell me the major application. You can imagine. The major applications are So it is mainly used for high voltage, low current system. This is the main application of three-phase system. Also one more thing, from three-phase you can able to make 3 single-phase supply. From three-phase star connection you can able to make 3 single-phase supply. Is it okay or not? That is also another point. So these are the important observations regarding the three-phase connection. That means the star connection is used for high voltage, low current application. What is star connection I explained. Then it is suitable for long distance transmission also. Also you can able to make 3 single phase supply can be produced from the star connection. Okay. So in this session I have discussed about what do you mean by star connection, what is the relation between line current and phase current, and what is the relation between line voltage and phase voltage. Ultimately I have explained the applications of star connection as well. Let me know if you are having any queries. In the next session I am going to derive the relationship between line current and phase current.